Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tolulepa B here. Ignore the bags. Life is just happening, so we keep pushing on in Jesus' name. Today's video is about freshening up my braids. Let me get more light to show y'all what I'm working with. As you can see, my natural hair is coming out of the braids. It's not as bad, but although this is color 4, the braids look a little dull. Because sometimes you want to go out and not have makeup on and still kind of look a little alive. So I'm gonna show you guys how to freshen your braids my style. I think it's really simple, just 4, 5, 6 products, and yeah, stay tuned. They're making it stick together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Let me know what kind of videos you want. I'm getting back into acting and different things, so let me know what you guys want to see on this channel and what you guys want to know or don't want to know or are intrigued about. Ultimately, stay safe. Stay blessed. I pray you guys all know Jesus and are saved and just trying to do your best every day. It's not easy, but I think as we're here on this planet, all we can do is our best. It's a gift to be alive, so let's just try to do our best. God bless. Peace, love, and the Holy Ghost.